Hello, first graders. I'm glad you came for a math lesson today. Today we're going to practice a game called Grab and Count, and it's just like it sounds. So what you'll need for today's lesson is something that you have a lot of. It could be a handful of noodles, could be a handful of Cheerios, could be a handful of coins, something where you can easily grab a few and then lay them down and count them, put them all back in a pile, grab a few, and lay them down and count them again. So we are going to use, for me, my favorite candy, we're going to use Good and Plenty's, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Alright, so what we're doing today is I'm just going to pour out my Good and Plenty's there. That's not the whole box, but I don't think we need all of them. And I'm going to push them over to one side here. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm just going to grab some. And I'm going to set them over here, and I'm going to count them. Now, I know when we talked earlier about this, it was easier to put things in groups of 10. So let's do it together. I'm going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6. So I have one group of 10 and one group of 6. I know this is 10, so I don't have to count them. I can say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then what I'm going to do is I am going to go to the seesaw slide and show you what we're doing today. So click the text boxes to fill in the numbers and your proof. So my first number was 16. Now let's go back to the camera. I'll put all of these back over here, and I'm going to do it again. I'm going to grab this many, and we'll count together by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, I have two groups of 10. Now I can either say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, or if I'm good at counting by tens, I can say 10, 20. And we're going to go back to the seesaw activity. Second grab was 20. Which number is greater? 20 is greater than 10. I know because when I count, 20 comes after 10. And I realize we may run out of space here. So you do have a blank slide to finish comparing your sentences or to draw pictures to help you with math. Let's do one more together. I'm going to put my 20 back into my pile. I'm going to grab another handful. So this would be first grab. Let's count by twos together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4. You can say, I know this is 10, and say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the first grab is 14. Let's do a second grab. The second grab is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3. So counting by tens, just like we've already practiced, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. $23. 23 is greater than 14. I know this because 20 is greater than 14, so 23 must also be greater. Now let's pretend that I did 2 grabs and I got 10 on one grab and 10 on another grab. Let me show you how you would put that into the seesaw activity. I'm going to skip down here so you can see everything. So I would say 10, or whatever number I got that was the same, and I would skip this part. And here I would say these numbers are equal. Okay? And if you run out of space, come back here to the last slide and finish your math here. I look forward to seeing what you're counting today, first graders. Thanks for coming.